Hey, science geeks, you won't believe the latest development in robotics. Step aside, Futurama. Scientists have actually built a robot controlled by a brain in a jar. Yeah, you heard that right. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's real life. Research teams from Tianjin University and Southern University of Science and Technology have managed to control a robot's tracking, grasping, and obstacle avoidance using what they call a mini-brain. But don't worry, they didn't pull a brain out of some poor soul. These brains are cultured in vitro, specifically for research purposes and apparently for integration into robots. So how does it work? The researchers use these cultured brain cells to create something called a brain-on-chip. Imagine a mini-brain with some of the intelligent functions of a biological brain but needing a bit of tech assistance. That's where the chip comes in. It allows scientists to debug the brain, send signals to the outside world, and control specific functions like the robot's ability to grasp objects. According to Prof. Ming Dong, vice president of Tianjin University, the brain-computer interface on a chip is a technology that uses an in vitro cultured brain coupled with an electrode chip to achieve information interaction with the outside world through encoding and decoding and stimulation feedback. In simpler terms, the chip translates the brain's electrical signals into movements, helping the robot avoid obstacles, track targets, and move its arms. But here's the kicker. The robot can't see like we do. Instead, the brain interprets the world through electrical signals provided by the chip. While it could theoretically train itself to navigate a simulated environment, understanding the real world is a whole different ballgame. This groundbreaking brain-on-chip technology, named Metabot, is open source. And guess what? This isn't the first time mini-brains have found their way into robots. Back in 2018, researchers created a mini-brain from Neanderthal DNA and put it into a spider-like robot. Creepy, right? The team behind this latest robot believes two key breakthroughs make their study stand out. First, they are using ball-shaped organoids, moving from two-dimensional to three-dimensional cell cultures. This provides a more complex neural network for the brain-on-chip to operate on. They achieve this by growing mini-brains under low-intensity focused ultrasound stimulation, giving them a better intelligent foundation. Second, they've integrated artificial intelligence algorithms, enhancing the robot's abilities even further. While all this sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, there's still a long way to go. For instance, the brain inside the robot's helmet is currently just a mock-up, with the actual brain tissue kept separate for testing purposes. So, what do you think? Is this the future of robotics? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more mind-blowing science content. Until next time, stay curious.